In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Big Cartel, a crucial step for anyone looking to manage their transactions smoothly and securely for their online store. Whether you're just getting started or are looking to streamline your current process, I'll walk you through this setup so you can start receiving payments with ease. Let's begin by navigating to the Big Cartel dashboard. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in the URL to the Big Cartel website, then logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your store. Here, you can control everything from product listings to sales data. Now take a look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a profile icon or the word profile. Click on this and it will take you to the settings menu of your Big Cartel account. This is where you can adjust a variety of options to tailor the way your store functions. As you scroll through these settings, you'll want to look out for the section that talks about payment options. Once you spot it, click on Set up your payment options. This link will guide you to the page where you can link your store to PayPal, enabling you to process payments efficiently. On the payment options page, you'll find several different ways to receive money, but for this tutorial, we're concentrating on PayPal. Look for the option that says Connect PayPal. Clicking on this will redirect you to PayPal's login page. Logging into PayPal is straightforward. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and hit login. If your PayPal account is already set up with proper business credentials, this will only take a moment. However, if you need to update any information, PayPal will prompt you to do so before you complete this connection. Once you've successfully logged into PayPal, you'll be presented with prompts to confirm linking your PayPal account to Big Cartel. Follow these instructions carefully, and soon you'll see a button that says Return to Big Cartel LLC. Click this as it's crucial for finalizing the connection. Once returned to Big Cartel, you'll see a confirmation noting that PayPal is now successfully linked to your store. This setup allows you to start accepting payments from customers directly, offering them a trusted and familiar payment method, which often results in increased purchase confidence. And that's it! You've successfully linked PayPal to your Big Cartel store, setting a solid foundation for handling your transactions efficiently. Remember, a seamless payment process is not just about convenience, it's about building trust with your customers. If you have any additional questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thank you for watching and happy selling!